Putting the fronts on drawers can be kind of a pain. It can be really awkward to hold it in place while you get it in position and then pull it out so you can screw it in. This is a drawer front jig. It's made by Fastcap. It just makes it a little bit simpler. You've got two of them. They clamp either side on the side rails of your drawer. Tighten up. They've got nice rubber stops that won't damage the drawers or the timber. You line up the front plate here with the front of the drawer box, and then you can get your front, slide it in, put it in position, and then tighten up these two front knobs and it will hold it in place. And you can do that while the drawer is closed. This is pretty awkward to do any other way. Sometimes I use double-sided tape. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's a bit awkward. But this takes the guesswork out of it. Then you can open that up, put your screws in, and it'll be in the right position. Makes it really easy and really quick. Now, it works best with drawers where you've got an overlaid front that actually sits on the front of the cabinet. These guys are inset. It still works, but it's a little trickier. You also need to make sure that your drawer slides are low enough or underneath so that this little aluminium plate doesn't get interrupted by it. Otherwise, it won't slide all the way in like this. So otherwise, a really handy jig to have around the shop. I think it'll make it a lot quicker, take some of the messy guesswork out of it, and allow you to line everything up from the front and tighten it off like that. So there's a link down below. You can pick these up at the website, timbercon.com.au, or you can go into their stores in Perth and in Melbourne. And if you like these videos, just jump down below and subscribe.